Alright, today is the day we find out who wins this LaTrax Prerunner. I had so much fun with this. I want to thank everybody who got me to the 1,000 subscribers. I asked everybody to enter the giveaway. You have to put either red or blue Prerunner, which that doesn't really matter because after I pick the winner and the winner contacts me, I'll find out what color they wanted anyway, but I was just curious as to which color people wanted. I didn't tally it all up, but I'd say it was split pretty even. But anyway, I had so many entries that I'm not doing the wheel on this one. The past subscribers who have been through these giveaways know about the wheel. The wheel is a lot of fun. I eliminate people down to the last name. But in this giveaway, because there were so many entries, and I don't really have an exact number, but it is definitely over 80 entries. I want to thank everybody who has entered and who has subscribed. It's been a couple weeks since I posted anything and I kind of miss it because I enjoy doing this, and I actually did get one video done. I got this video done, but I just finished this tank video and it's ready to post, so I'm gonna post it probably right after I post this video. And I actually even started on the next video. I have it almost all filmed. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but it is a flying RC. Just a reminder, the winner is not receiving this LaTrax. This LaTrax is mine. I actually want to do some upgrades. There's a few upgrades that I've been looking at possibly doing. I already have a 2S LiPo on order. I'm waiting for that to get here. As soon as that gets here, I'm going to run this truck with the nickel metal hydride and then compare it to the 2S LiPo and see how much difference there is. I was also looking at upgrading the servo and maybe a couple suspension parts, but I'm not going to go too crazy with this. I actually think it's a pretty good RC for the price. With that being said, if you are not the winner, but you still are interested in purchasing one of these LaTrax vehicles, I'm going to leave a link down in the description below. So I'm using the YouTube random comment picker from commentpicker.com. So here it says enter the YouTube video URL. So we're going to go over here and click copy. Then we're going to paste it in there. We're going to get the YouTube comments. And we have 126 unique commenters in here. So now we're going to start the raffle and pick the random winner. So click start. The winner of the LaTrax is going to be Randy Purnell. So Randy Purnell, you said red Prerunner. You want the red Prerunner. Congratulations, Randy Purnell. You win the LaTrax. You have 7 days to claim your prize. All you have to do is contact me with a shipping address. You can email me at readytorunrc.rtr@gmail.com, or you can send me a message on Instagram at readytorunrc. All you have to do is send me a shipping address and we can get this thing going. And I can get your red Prerunner ordered for you and shipped to your place. So that's awesome. Thank you, Randy Purnell, for entering. Thanks everybody else for entering. This has been quite the little run we had on YouTube with the subscribers. Next big giveaway is going to be at the 2,000 mark. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to give away, but it's going to be either an Arma or a Red Cat Racing. But that's the next milestone, 2,000 subscribers. Thanks again, everybody. Check out this tank video, which will be posted right after this one. If you're watching this after this giveaway is over and you haven't hit the subscribe button, go ahead and do that. I have plenty of giveaways to come. Smack that like button, and let's congratulate Randy Purnell in the comments below. And I hope to see you with the next Ready to Run RC.